Hey everybody, this is C here with you on Hype Sneaker Reviews. And what we have here just came in the mail today, and it's probably has to be just about as early of an arrival and an unboxing of this sneaker as there is. This came out, I believe, the 25th. So it's a new release, newest release of Reebok is their Jurassic World collaboration. It's a cool looking box. Definitely different from what I've ever seen before. Always fun and interesting to get a new box. You can see here we have size 11, Club C Revenge men's. So like I said before, this is Jurassic World, just came out, new release. Probably one of the first pairs to have been bought and opened, as like I said, I bought them on release day, release time, and would have had one of the first pairs shipped out. So we have a Club C Revenge. We have the vectors going there, so that tells us right away. Dubray. Some jargon from Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, same thing going on here. Restricted access. Eyelet covered in plastic there. Got a debossed Jurassic World. A little embroidery here. Looks like some kind of a atom or something scientific, I suppose. Vector window there, the logo window in there. Has a battery type of thing. We have the synthetic lining. Looks like it has some markings on it. Now the cool thing supposedly with this sneaker is that it's reptilian in this area here, all back here, I suppose, where you can see the scales like this. It rubs off and reveals a different color underneath. It looks like probably a greenish color. I don't think I'll rub those off on purpose. I'll probably wait and see what happens. Maybe I'll come back, give you an update with them. I didn't notice that the laces have nice tips on them. There's only one pair of laces though. Don't have the internal arch strap. Let's look at the other shoe quickly. I think they're pretty close to the same, except for maybe just the back here, the debossing. We have Reebok. Anything else is looking. This Dubray has Reebok, whereas that one had some Jurassic jargon. This looks like this is different as well too. So I'm real curious to see about this wearing off, but I don't know that I want to make it happen right yet. So we'll come back with an update on these soon. Let you know how they fit and whatnot. Just wanted to get this out right away so you guys could see them if you're still available at Reebok. Just thinking about getting them. You know, the quality, the leather isn't here. It's synthetic, I believe, all materials, but it does some cool, technology with the color changing and whatnot. All in all, a pretty cool sneaker. Almost all white, a little bit of black, a little bit of yellow. Pretty cool. So I'll be back with you soon. This is C signing out. You guys have a good one.